Diamonds truly are a girl's best friend, but when you make a quilt using diamonds, they're kind of tough to cut. So we have a great tool for you to use that helps you cut perfect diamonds every time. It's called the Diamonds Cut because it's a girl's best friend. So we're going to show you how this works by simply taking strips of fabric and subcutting them into diamonds. We'll make it real easy. For the quilt that I'm making today, we need 2-inch diamonds. So I've actually cut my strips of fabric. This is a full width of fabric, and I've cut it into 2-inch strips, as you can see here. So you can take that strip, lay it anywhere on your mat, and you can lay the diamond cut ruler over the top, lining up this bottom horizontal line on the bottom edge of your strip. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to cut off this little edge of the ruler so we can start one side of our diamond. So you want to take your cutter, just run it along there and get that edge cut off. Now I'm making 2-inch diamonds, so I'm going to cut in the 2, 4, 6 slot. This happens to also be a 2-inch cut right here. So to get started, I cut at 2, at 4, at 6. And again, because I know this is 2 inches, I can actually use this edge of my ruler to cut as well. So you can see my diamonds are already starting to form. Now take that strip and again do the exact same thing. Line the bottom horizontal line on the edge of your strip, and the edge that was recently cut goes on the angled edge of the ruler. And again, we are going to cut at 2, 4, 6, and I'll use this edge again, 8, and you can see how you get absolutely perfect diamonds. Now I also want to show you, if you want to cut in increments other than whole numbers, such as 3 1/4 or 4 3/4, we also have markings on the ruler for that. You still cut your strips in the width that you need, and then you just shift the ruler over either to the 1/4 inch line or the 3/4 inch line to subcut to get your perfect diamonds. So we take a very, very lovely shape, the diamond, a girl's best friend, and make it very easy to cut.